Hello guys, you are welcome again to my channel. So we are in profit on our trade. So the weekly analysis we did on Gbpjpy, that's GJ, we are right now and we are currently running in profit. So I would love to show you the profit you are running on. And not only that, I would love to close out on the position, and you might be saying, why am I closing out on the running profit? So I'm going to tell you the reason why I'm closing out on the running profit in this video. So that's the main purpose I'm making this video. And I'm going to re-enter again on the trade. So I want to show you my entry level and where I would love the market to retest to before I should enter the trade again. So I'm closing out. That's my main purpose of doing this video, and to show you where I'm going to re-enter from. So if you join us on our weekly analysis, which we normally do, we make profit. So in this one weekly analysis, if you should join this, you same should be in profit. So here I'm going to show you all that I see in the chart. So guys, stay tuned and follow up on every of my updates. So you can turn on your notification bell, click the notification bell down below, and subscribe also to my channel, so whenever I drop a new video you can get notified. Also join us in making the profit. So guys, let's go into the video. If you still remember, I post our weekly analysis. So this was our weekly analysis. I told you about Gbpjpy. I'll be expecting a sell on the GJ. So this is the Japanese yen index. So what I normally do is, when I come to my Gbpjpy, my JPYX, that's my Japanese yen index, what I really do is I analyze from the weekly or the monthly on the Japanese yen index what's happening on the Japanese yen index, because whatever is happening on the Japanese yen index is directly proportional to whatever will happen on the other currencies which are paired with the JPY index. So what do I mean by it's directly proportional? If the Japanese yen index is going bullish, let's say it's bullish, other currency pair which should be paired with it will be bearish, definitely. And if it's going bearish, other currency which are paired with it will be going bearish. If it's bearish, other currency will be going bullish, to say. So this is how it works. So I come first to the Japanese yen and I check on their index, on their currency index. I check what's happening on the currency index this day. So once I see what's happening, I don't need to analyze much on the other pairs while I'm going to pair it with other currencies. All I just do is, where can I set my stop loss? Where can I take my trade profit? Where can I set my target as my take profit? That's all I do. I come there and I check for whatever I want to check about it. Then I set my stop loss immediately, and after I set my stop loss immediately, what I do, I leave it to run. Either take profit or sell. So that is what I really do. So as for this one, I told you the last week that what I'm seeing on the Japanese yen. So I'm on the Gbpy. So let me go on the Gbpy, because it's the Gbpy I make the analysis about, and I'm going to show you the JPYX also, what I saw there before I said the Gbpjpy should go on a sell. So this is it. This is what I saw. So I'll be going so you can see that from this weekly time frame, this market has been bearish from 1 week, week 1, week 2. So let's label it and see. So how many candles can we see from here? So how many candles can we see here? Let's take a box instead, a rectangle, and mark from here, from where it has made this double top to this present moment, to this day, to this present day. Let's forget about this week. Let's forget about this one that is running right now, and let's count how many days have been, how many weeks has it been in an uptrend, in a downtrend. So you can see this week 1, week 2, week 3, the week 4, it retrace, it corrects to retest on this zone, which makes it the 0.2. Week 4, week 5, that's almost 1 month. Another, that's almost 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 month. This is the 4th week that is opening now, which is 2 months. 2 months of this market being bearish. So this is what I see again before I said I'm going to sell on this currency pair. So if you can agree with me clearly, we can see that the market comes to make a double top here. This is a double top. This is a clear double top, And if you don't still understand what it means by a double top, there is a situation where a market should come and retest or correct on the same zone, which on the previous zone which he has retest from, or which he has reversed from. So it came here to make a double top on the zone here, on this place here. This is a double top, and this market has been holding since Monday 04, that's on 4th of November 2024, so to this day on 30th December 2024. So almost months of holding on this zone. It haven't break this zone, so if it doesn't break the zone, we keep selling. If it breaks the zone, we'll keep buying. That's what it is. If it breaks the zone right now, we'll start buying. So that's what it is. This is what it is. So that's another reason this double top I saw gave me confidence to sell when it comes here. So I missed this double top already from selling there, so I was already looking for another opportunity. So I said, okay, I drew my red line here, this resistance line. I call this one my resistance line or my retest line. I drew my retest line. What did I see and why did I draw the retest line? I saw this, that there was a candle close, there was a candle here that have come and retest. You understand what I'm saying? It comes here, it comes here, it goes back down. So let me show you more on this I'm saying. I want you to clearly understand this I'm saying, because it will help you a lot while analyzing the market. You to detect the previous reversal points and the retest zones or in the market, the point of interest and where people or the big players will likely act upon. So we can see that immediately it retests on this zone. After it retests on this zone, I was waiting patiently for the market to come back again to the zone. When it has broken this zone, I was waiting for it to come back, because I know if it definitely tap on the zone again, we are going to see a more push down, and that's what we are experiencing right now. So that's what we are experiencing right now. So that's what I was waiting for. I was waiting for the market to tap in this zone again. So let me show you. Let me take my path to and show you here clearly, because I want you to understand this I'm saying. So I saw the market from here. So the market moved from here, comes to this zone, returns back here on this zone to gather a lot of momentum, to gather enough momentum. So the liquidity have been taken, so it has a lot of momentum now to break this point, make a new high. So make a new high in this trend right now. So the market comes back here to tap in here again and to go back to make same high on the same zone, not a higher high right now. Observe this. It didn't make a higher high, it didn't break above that zone. So the market didn't break above that zone. What happened? It came back down. We break that side. So I was waiting. So the market came here, not going here yet. The market didn't tap on here. If you should understand how the market is moving, it didn't directly come to tap on here. Look at what happened. It tapped on this zone. So this zone right now goes back up. You can see. So immediately it corrects to this zone. I said, okay, this market is going to do what? To sell back here, gather enough momentum before maybe going back up. But for now, this is our views. You understand what I'm saying? So okay, so you can see now, after I said I'm waiting for it to go. So I'm waiting for it right now to clear off all the zones, to maybe take out this zone here. It's gathering momentum to go back to the upside, if I should say. So if we can take out this low, if this market can take out this low right now and comes anywhere close, gather a lot of strength to break this zone, because there are active sellers here in this zone. So you have to gather a lot of momentum. The buyers have to get enough momentum to push back the price to break this zone. So you can see that's what it is, guys. So that's the weekly time frame, though I'm still going to the 4-hour time frame. So I'll go on the 4-hour time frame for me to show you more of what I mean by this. I want you always to understand whatever I'm doing here, because I'm taking my time to make sure I break it down to the lowest terms and the lowest language ever for you to understand. So I'll go on the daily time frame. The daily time frame, you can see it's same thing. It's still happening here, or same thing is happening here. After that, this is the zone we have been waiting for, so it came back to this zone. We missed it from selling here, so sold around here, so and it's going back right now to our take profit. So I'm going to show you my entry. You don't have to worry. So I'm going to show you on my profit, my trade. I'm going to show you I'm in a drawdown, a very major drawdown. We are up in profits about $53 right now, you can see. So here is my profit. I enter the trade as I analyze with you. I don't just analyze and wait for just analyze and for analyzing sake. No. What I do here is I come to analyze with you so I can also know what's happening and get into the market and get into the trade. That's why I'm here always to analyze with you. I'm not just here to analyze and give you whatever I want and know. I'm analyzing based on what's happening in the market and what I want to see and what I would love to see. So my TP is around here, and my SL I've bring back my SL to break even. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to close partials, or I'm going to close all on this trade. Why am I going to close all on this trade? So this is why I'm going to close all on this trade. So I'm up in profit about 54.10 USD. So this is why I'm going to close all on this trade. I'm going to close all on this trade, and there's a reason why I'm going to close all on this trade. The reason is because the reason why I said I'm going to close all on this trade is I'm going to wait for this retest, which I told you. I'm going to wait for this retest I told you about. So I'm going to wait for some correction or some pullbacks to some zones again, to anywhere around here, then I sell more. So I'm waiting, and we are still selling. I'm going to close out of the trade right now. I know we are still pushing down more, but I'm going to close out on this position, or I'm going to take partials. So you can see my balance is adding up right now. I'm in a major drawdown here. So let me close and look for a better opportunity again to sell. I'm looking for a better opportunity to sell more. So I'll be closing out on this position right now. Close with $53 profit. Yes, close for me, sir. So I am to take $78 once it gets to my TP, and now it's $53. So that's $20 there. I'm going to close out. I'm not going to wait for the $20 anymore. I'm going to close out of the trade. I know it to pull back, then I'll enter the trade again. So that's my idea. That's the idea I have on this trade. closed. So my balance is adding up right now. I'm trying to minimize my risk. That's why maybe some of you might be asking that you are in profit, you are closing, and a lot of things. I know what I'm doing. I'm trying to build back this account. I'm trying to bring back this account to life. You can see that it's now on from 4,600. It's now on 4,700. So additional $300 now. I'm back to break even, and from there I'm going to bang it again. So that's what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to grow this account, I'm trying to build this account. So what I'm waiting for right now is I'm waiting for this to happen, then I'll go in again. Let me show you, in case you are following and you love to know what I'm waiting for before I enter the trade. I'm coming. Let me show you. I'll show you here right now. You just made money from the analysis, so if you followed up, you should also have something to say right now. So the market comes here, taps in here, goes as this, retraces back as this, waiting for this, then I get a new low. So this is what I'm waiting for. The market can reverse it from this zone right now that we're at, and I see a pullback, a correction to this side. I'm going to sell again if I should see this. So let me make it clear for you. Let me delete this. So profit made. This is what I'm waiting for, so I can sell again. So if I should see this, or you should see this, you can take note of this right now, because if I should see this, I'm not going to wait for anything. I'm going to bang it more. I'm going to go all in. Yeah, if I should see this happen again. So guys, this is all I want to show you. I just want to show you before I should close the trade, so you can see the analysis is paying off. The analysis, we are not just here doing. I'm trying to show you what I'm doing here. I'm trying to impart the knowledge. I'm trying to take my time to show you what I'm seeing in the market and my views in the market. So that's what I'm always here to show you, to impart the knowledge that I have from the market. So to you also, you might have something to say and to do in the market. So guys, thank you for staying. I love you guys.